Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Qualis apes aestate nova per florea rura, exercet sub sole labor, cum gentes adultos eduncut fetus, aut cum liquentia mella, stipondet dulci distendunt nectare cellas, aut ona racipiunt venientum aut agmene facto, ignavum fucus pecus a praecepibus acet. Like the work busies the bees beneath the sun in a new summer through the flowering countryside, when they lead out the mature offspring of the clan, or when they cram flowing honey and they extend the cells with sweet nectar, or they receive the burdens of the ones coming, or, with a column having been created, they keep away the drones, a lazy herd, from the hives or from their dwellings. So this is an extended metaphor all about bees, and it's comparing the work of bees to the Carthaginians. So Virgil is using nature, the nature of bees, something in a natural setting, and he's comparing that natural thing to the founding of Carthage and how busy all of the workers are, all those Tyrian colonists are in establishing their new city. So he's saying that just so much is going on and they're being so productive, they're just like bees. Now, as far as grammar, we can notice that there is an ablative absolute right here with a column having been made. We can notice that this part where it says they keep off the drones, a lazy herd, from the hives. Here we have the drones, a lazy herd, so this is like an apposition sort of thing. Let's see, up here we have a lot of stuff to go through, lots of little clauses. So we have like, in a new summer, through the flowering countryside, beneath the sun. Virgil's being greatly descriptive here, and he's painting a really great word picture of these bees and the various tasks that they fulfill, such as they lead out the adult offspring or the mature offspring, or they cram liquid honey and they extend the cells with sweet nectar. So there are many things that the bees are doing here.